Most people, when they want to start a business, they usually start at the middle, not at the beginning. For instance, you want to start a business selling shoes. Most people will think, okay, I need to buy the machine to make the shoe, to produce the shoe, and then go and sell, which is very funny because you just showed up, you are buying a machine to do the shoe. The easiest way to start the shoe business that will not cost you to raise capital is actually go and meet a guy that already has the shoe and say, Alpha, how much are you selling shoe? Say 3K. You will now take that shoe and say, okay, no problem. I will take the picture of the shoe, I will go and get buyer for you. I will make it 4,000. If I get buyer for 4,000, you collect your 3K, I take my 1K. Most people will say yes. To be honest, you don't even need to have that conversation with them. When you come with the 4K and you go and meet them and say, oh yeah, take 3K, most people will give you the shoe. And it's a very interesting thing because we are living in a time where people send money to people they don't know over the internet every day.